Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to duplicate slides in PowerPoint, a simple trick that can save you loads of time and keep your presentations consistent. Perfect for business meetings, lectures, or any type of slideshow. To get started, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have it installed on Windows or Mac. Once it's open, locate the presentation you want to work on. You can either open a recent file or browse your documents to find it. Now, focus on the left side of the PowerPoint interface. This is the slide navigation pane where all your slide thumbnails appear. Scroll through until you find the slide you want to duplicate. Once you've found it, right-click on the slide thumbnail. A menu will pop up. Look for the option labeled Duplicate Slide and click it. Just like that, an exact copy of your slide will appear immediately after the original. Everything from formatting to text, images, and other elements is preserved. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain a consistent design while making slight variations or updates. Duplicating slides is also a huge time saver. It helps you create multiple slides with the same layout, keeping your presentation polished and uniform. Whether you're repeating content, sticking to a brand theme, or experimenting with new ideas, this feature makes your workflow smooth and efficient. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to duplicate slides in PowerPoint. The more you practice, the faster and more confident you'll get. Use this tip to make your presentation stand out while saving time and effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical PowerPoint tips and tricks.